The Tuxedo is a classic cocktail that exudes elegance, combining gin and dry vermouth with a touch of maraschino liqueur and a hint of anise from absinthe. You will need the following ingredients: 1½ ounces. Old Tom Gin. Old Tom Gin offers a slightly sweeter profile compared to London Dry Gin. 1½ ounces dry vermouth. 1/4 ounce maraschino liqueur. 1/4 ounce absinthe. You can substitute with absinthe bitters if preferred. 2 dashes orange bitters. Garnish lemon twist and a cherry, traditional garnishes that complement the drink beautifully. For equipment you will need mixing glass, bar spoon, strainer, cocktail glass. Here are the instructions. Add Old Tom Gin, dry vermouth, maraschino liqueur, absinthe, and orange bitters into a mixing glass filled with ice. Stir well until the mixture is thoroughly chilled. Strain the mixture into a chilled cocktail glass. Garnish with a lemon twist and a cherry. The Tuxedo was named after Tuxedo Park, a fashionable residential area in New York during the late 1800s and early 1900s, synonymous with style and sophistication.